Hello and welcome to another Dragonfrog Games construction guide video. This is for putting together one of our 20mm shop houses. It's pretty much the same as the 28mm shop houses, but a few slight differences. So this is enough stuff for the roof, top floor, middle floor and ground floor pieces, and I'm just going to show how to put them all together. So we start off with the ground floor. I shall just make a little bit of space to put it in. So start off by taking one of these bits, just a little bit of glue underneath, and that will fit just on there. And then we'll put in the different pieces. So we've got the middle piece here. Just put some glue where it fits on. That just slots into that gap there. Then we have the front, just a little bit of glue on either side of here, and just on the inside, and that will slot just in front there. That's it. And then the rear, this one fits on there. Probably putting too much glue in bits which isn't needed. That just slides on the back. Then we get that bit which will come on the front here. So I just need to so that just slides in. You just got to get it at the right angle. There we go. And turn it around for the other side. Just slips on the other side. Just hold it together. I get glue with my fingers, it gets stuck to me. But that is that, and we can test it. That should just sit nicely on top of there, which it does. Comes on and off, which means that the second floor should be able to fit quite nicely on. It's this bit at the front, just got to make sure it's held in properly. That looks like it's done. Now you see we've got two doors here, and that is where these come in. Just a little bit of glue to put them into their stands. should just slip in, and then that can just stand up. There's a variety of 3 different types of doors in each set, but of them, 2 of them are these shutters. And 6 doors. There we go, that's the doors done. I'll move that to the side. I shall do the roof next. Now this prototype, so the actual roof one, these bits will come all the way across there so that there's not gaps, but you'll see that if you get one of the sets. So to make these, you need to get the glue in there, and then just push that in and push that one in, and then glue the other side. And that just slips on there and on there. It's got to get it at the right angle, and it should just clip in. There we go. And then the base, so this will go on here, so you want to glue just inside each of these where it will glue on. And also a little bit on each of these bits. So that just fits on there. There we go. And that would, as you can see at the moment, just slide on nicely. As you can see, there's these gaps here in this prototype model, but they would not be there in the completed one, which you would be ordering if you order one off the website. So we could put them to the side and then come to doing the floor. So we'll do the shorter, shallower floor first, which is the top floor, so like a small attic. Slots on like that, and then we do the other bit, and the corners. There we go. And then just the end to do. Just slips on the end, like so. There we go. I'll put that aside to dry, and we can do the other roof. Now you'll notice that when I'm doing these, this side is the side it was lasered from, this side is the bottom, and I turn it over for using these because it's not, it does fit on, but I find that if you use it the other way up, it does slide on much easier, and that's what we want for ease of constructing the buildings, making them whatever size you want as and when you see fit for the game. So here we go, just get this bit glued again. Start at the far side for the second floor. Just goes on there. Do the end bits. And just the last wall ready. There we go. So there you can see we have done the different floors, we've done a roof and we've done the base. So to put it together, the base, we would have the next floor just slip on, then the next one, and then the roof. And there we have the completed building. Now of course other ones will have different windows and doors style, and they can all be interchangeable. You could have these windows on top of a different base, and we've got bits with curved, fancier edges. The 3 different types, and of course the doors, you could just slip them in underneath to be where the door is. You can glue them in, or you can take them in and out. And that is basically how you glue it together and how you take them apart. Thank you for watching.